Hello everyone, welcome back. In part 1, we learned why Linux is the hacker's bestie, and today we are going deeper into the terminal, the hacker's command center. Forget the mouse, this is where the real magic happens. So let's make you dangerous in a legal way, of course. So the first one we have is file and directory management. All right, so step number one, learn to move around Linux like you own the place. So if you can't navigate, you are basically that guy who get lost in Walmart every 2 minutes. So today we are going to practice some hands-on command, the pwd and then ls minus l and also ls minus a. Also we are going to use the cd command and also the mkdir, and also we are going to use touch and echo, also r and rmdir. So let's jump on the hands-on commands. All right, so here we go. Here we have our terminal, so let's type the first command, pwd. So this is going to show the directory and where I am, the current directory, and then ls minus l. So ls minus l is going to list file with details. So here you can see the permission detail, the user detail, the file size, date, time, and the directory of file name. Then go ls minus a. So ls minus a shows the hidden file, and also you can see those sadi dot files. So here we go, the sadi dot files. So this is going to give all the hidden files. Then we have next cd home, so change to home directory. So if you want to go home, you can directly type this command and you will go on the home. So now you can see you are at home. Next command we have mkdir, and we are going to create a project directory, and it says permission denied. Okay, so let me, so currently I'm a user, so for creating a file I need more permission or admin permission, so I'm going sudo shu. All right guys, you can see now I am root. So let's create the directory again, mkdir, and then projects. So directory got created, let's check. So you can see here projects, and then let's use the touch command. So touch notes.txt, and this is going to create an empty file. So let's check. Here you can see notes.txt got created. So let's insert some text into the file. So type echo, then hello Linux, and then quote. So here is the greater than sign, and then we are going to give the file name notes.txt. So this is gonna write the text into the file. Hit enter, and then let's verify cat notes.txt. So here we go. You can see the hello Linux got created inside the note.txt. Then let's remove the note. So rm notes.txt, txt. So this is going to delete the file. So if you use rmdir, that will not be able to delete the file. But if you use rm, so that's used to delete the file, and the file is gone. Here we go. And let's remove the directory now. rmdir, then projects, hit enter and type ls. So there is no directory now. So Linux doesn't say, "Are you sure?" It's more like, "You deleted it? Cool. It's gone forever. RIP file.txt." So let's jump on the permission and ownership. So the second part we have permission and ownership. So now imagine files are like clubs. So permission decide who get in, honor, group, or random people. Each can read, write, and execute. So so these are like the bouncers at the nightclub. Linux doesn't mess around. So let's practice. All right, let's practice the hands-on commands. ls minus l. So this is going to show the permission of any file. Then let's create touch script dot sh. Now let's change the permission. Chmod 755 script dot sh. Now let's check the permission of the file. So you can see here file permission. So root have permission, read, write, and execute. So let's change the permission now. Chmod u plus x script.sh. Now let's check the permission. So you can see the permission got changed here. Now chown hacker team file.txt. So this is going to change the file ownership. Okay, so currently I do not have these things. So but this is how the permission works. So see the first character in ls minus l. So if it is d, like here you can see, so it is a directory. So I can see there is no a, I have only the dash. So that means this is the file and this is the directory, and I do not have a. Let's move on the pipe and redirection. Okay, so here we have pipe and redirection. So now the FBI doesn't scroll through 5 GB log file manually. So they use command, and so will you. So welcome to the grep gang. So we are going to use the grep command, and also we are going to use the find command, and also there is a command called locate. So all these use in the pipe and redirection. And also we have sort, cat. So these are the files that we are going to hands on today. All right, so let's grep error hyphen var log syslog. So currently we do not have any syslog. Okay, so directory. So directory. So currently we do not have any error. So let's find name password.txt. So this is how you can quickly find any file by name. So I have two password.txt files which got captured using the find command. Then let's use the locate. So if you don't know where is the file, you can use the locate command, locate and then dot config. So this is quickly find the configuration file. So here we go. You can see all the configuration files are listed here. Huge list, right? So all these configuration files. So use it carefully. Then we have wc command, wc minus l, and then file.txt. So this is going to count the line of file. So currently do not have any file. So let's create touch file.txt, and let's use the command again. So currently I do not have anything in my file. All right, so let's sort file.txt. So this is going to sort the file content. So currently I do not have any content, so that's the reason. And then we have cat file.text, and here's the pipe and grep linux. So this file is going to find a keyword inside the file. So basically the pipe is helping us to run the multiple command here. So I do not have anything in the file. And also you can run another command here, wc minus l. So this will run multiple commands. So that is the use of the pipe. So combine these bad boys and you are basically neo seeing the matrix. So next one we have combining commands. Combining commands. So now you're ready for some cyber wizardry, one liners, short, powerful and deadly. So let's see some practical examples. So here are some examples: ps, aux, then grep, ssh. So this is going to find the ssh process. So here we have the ssh process going on. Then let's find some disk related stuffs. So df minus h, then sort k5 minus r. So here you can see the disk uses by size, file system size, available, used and mounted on. So these are the files which are consuming the my most of the disk. Cool, right? Let's type du minus sh star, then sort h. So this is going to see the folder size, but currently I do not have any folder starting with sh. So it is not going to provide the details. Then we have history, and then grep ls. So see how many times you spammed ls. So it is going to see the history of the ls command. So think of linux command like lego bricks. One command equal to one brick, combine them and boom, you have built the death star. Nice, you have just labeled up. Today you learn to move around files like a boss, control permission like a bouncer, and use pipe and redirection like a duct tape. and also we search log like a digital detective and also we used chain command like a true hacker. So that's all for this part, and in part 3 we are unlocking the network basics, configuring interfaces, monitoring traffic, and hacking around with SSH. So that's where things get really spicy. So remember, every pro hacker once typed ls and said, "What the heck is this?" So keep practicing, keep breaking things, and keep learning. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much.